There comes a moment in every life when the world goes quiet, when all the noise, the chatter, the doubts, the opinions fade into a single question that echoes from the soul. Who do you believe yourself to be? Because in that answer lies everything. Every victory, every failure, every destiny, written or erased. You become what you believe. Not what you wish for, not what you talk about, not what you dream in the idle moments before sleep, but what you truly, deeply, relentlessly believe, in the chambers of your mind when no one is watching. Every empire that has ever risen began first as a belief in a single mind. Edison believed that light could be captured. Ford believed that freedom could sit on 4 wheels. Carnegie believed that steel could build a nation. And because they believed, the world reshaped itself around their conviction. Belief is the architect of destiny. It is the invisible blueprint beneath every skyscraper, every fortune, every revolution of thought. But belief is not fantasy, it is not the empty echo of affirmation. True belief is forged in the fires of doubt. It is tested by failure, hammered by rejection, and polished by persistence until it becomes unbreakable. You see, most people live by sight. They wait to see before they believe. But the masters of this world live by vision. They believe until they see. They understand that the mind precedes reality. That thought, charged with faith, becomes a creative force, one that bends circumstance, opportunity, and time itself to serve its purpose. Napoleon Hill wrote that whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. But most never reach the second step. They conceive, but they never believe. They dream, but they doubt. They visualize, but they waver. And the universe responds not to dreams, but to belief. Faith is not just a word, is a mental state. It is the unwavering conviction that what you seek is already yours in spirit, long before it manifests in form. It is standing before the mountain and knowing it will move, even when your hands are bleeding from trying. You must become a master of belief. You must reprogram the language of your inner dialogue, for the words you whisper to yourself in silence are commands to your subconscious mind. Say you are weakened, weakness multiplies. Say you are strong and strength begins to awaken. Every thought is a seed. Every belief, a harvest. And the soil of your mind never rejects the seeds. You plant it only grows whatever you feed it most often. Look around you, every limitation, every boundary, every impossible was first a belief someone accepted as truth. But so was every miracle. So was every triumph that reshaped history. The Wright brothers didn't have wings, they had belief. Colonel Sanders didn't have investors, he had belief. Walt Disney didn't have approval, he had belief. And because of that, they each built worlds where others saw wastelands.